Okay, good morning again. Okay, we already completed for circle, semicircle and quarter circle. We already completed for circle, semicircle, quarter circle. What we completed? The electric field due to circle, electric field due to semicircle and electric field due to quarter circle. And these are its corresponding value for electric field. Now I am thinking, how will I remember everything? So what will I do? I will take a general case. I will take a general case. What is that general case? We know that every circle, semicircle and quarter circle are an example of an arc. Okay. So first of all, so what I will do, I will find out electric field intensity, intensity due to an arc. Okay, it is a general case. Okay, if you take this case, you can easily calculate for semicircle and quarter circle. A circle is a different case. That's why I am elaborate in the class. That's why I elaborate circle in your class. So this is totally for your NCRT. Okay, and important for your CBSE exam. Okay, but these two are important for IIT JEE. Okay. So you people don't think about IIT JEE. So these two things are very important for your IIT JEE purpose. Okay, this is also a general case, which is by this we can calculate semicircle and quarter circle. And remember, what is the limit for theta in semicircle? Tell me, what is the limit of theta in semicircle? 0 to 180 degree. Okay, what is in quarter circle? Theta limit 0 to 90 degree. Okay, remember these two cases. Okay, so I am taking an arc. Okay, I will take an arc. Okay, this is an arc. Yes or no? This is an arc. Okay, so this is having R. This is also R, and they differentiate with the angle called alpha. Okay, so you can name it is also A, B, C. So ABC is an arc. ABC is an arc. Angle ABC is taken as alpha. ABC is an arc. Angle BAC is taken as an alpha. Okay. This is fully charged. This is uniformly charged. Okay, no problem. Okay. I don't know this angle till now. This may be 0 degree. This may be 90 degree. This may be 60 degree. This may be 180 degree. Okay, it varies from 0 to 180 degree. This alpha varies from 0 to 180 degree. Okay, so now I can choose. So can I write like this? Okay, this is your alpha. So I will choose this charge. Okay, this charge means dq dl. Okay, what is dq? dq is the unit charge. dq is the unit charge. What is dl? Unit length. What is lambda? dq by dl. Okay, so this is the thing we getting from that. Okay, so take this one. Okay, 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 okay. Can I have an interceptor here? Yes, yes, I have an interceptor. I have an interceptor here. Okay, okay. So I can name that D. M angle BAD equal to M angle DAC. That means AD is the middle point. So AD, when we got AD for this, for that, this arc is this arc is symmetric. This arc is symmetric. This arc is symmetric. Yes or no? Yes. This arc is symmetric. Yes or no? Yes, very simple. This arc is symmetric because this is the middle part. So this region is equal to this region. This region is equal to this region because this is also arc. Okay. So this region equal to this region. So that's why I'm writing B M angle BAD equal to M angle DAC. Okay. So what is that? What is this angle? This is theta. Okay. This is theta. Okay. I am having this one. Okay. Okay. So what is this? This is d theta. This is d theta. If it is theta, this is d theta. Okay. So this is d. So we are having this one d cos theta, and this one d sin theta. Okay. Okay or not? Yes. 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 Okay. Due to mirror image, due to symmetric, our dE sin theta got cancelled for this arc. Yes or no? Yes. So what we left? We left with dE cos theta. Okay, dE cos theta, and this dE cos theta is for a unit charge. What is that unit charge? dQ. Okay. Again, I taken this angle in a broader way. I taken this thing in a broader way. What is this? This is your dl. This is your theta. This is r. This is r. So this is d theta. So d theta is equal to dl by r. D theta equal to dl by r. dl by r. So what is dl? dl equal to d theta. Okay. So pause it. Right up to this. Pause it. Right up to this. Pause it and right up to this. Okay. So till now what we get? So this is the arc, and this is the middle point of this arc. This is the middle point of this arc. So we are having a symmetric structure for for a unit charge dq. We are having dl is the length, and we are having d cos theta and d sin theta, its resultant electric field. Okay. So why d sin theta? Due to symmetric in nature, our d sin theta got cancelled. Okay. Okay. Clear. Okay. So what we got? So we have to calculate d. What is the formula for d? Every time we will having same thing. dq r square. What is dq, sir? Place dq. What is dq? Lambda dl. K is equal to lambda dl by r square. How? we are having lambda, so dq is equal to lambda dl. Okay, so I am putting that thing. We are having dl value, so we are putting k lambda dl r d theta by r square. So what we get? K lambda d theta by r. So we get this one for d. And remember, this is for only dq. This is only for dq. For total charge q, we have to integrate this one. We have to calculate total intensity. So what will you do? We will integrate. Whom? Dex only. Because dy is absent here. dy is cancelled. Due to what? Symmetric in nature. Due to symmetric. Okay, so we are having dex only. So what is dex? Tell me, what is dex? Tell me, de cos theta. What is the limit? What is the limit of d? What is the limit? Tell me. Do you know this angle? Before in semicircle we know that is 0 to 180 degree. For quad circle we are having 0 to 90 degree. So we are giving limit 0 to 90 degree or 0 to 180 degree. But in this case we don't know the angle. So what will you do? We will do from minimum 0 to lambda. 0 to alpha. 0 to alpha. Okay. So it is 0 to lambda or anything else. 0 to lambda or anything else. So we can write it. Do you know this is in 0 axis? This is the arc. Do you know that this is in 0? We don't know. So what will you take? Minus alpha by 2 to alpha by 2. So what will you take? Minus alpha by 2 to alpha by 2. So this is symmetric. If this is total is alpha, this one is alpha by 2 and this one is another alpha by 2. So after this point this is minus alpha by 2. After that is alpha by 2. Okay, so minus alpha by 2 to alpha by 2. Why I am telling you again. This total angle is alpha. So this is symmetric. That's why this part is alpha by 2 and this part is alpha by 2. But this is after the main axis. So if anything below, that means we are taking negative. If something in the left part we are taking negative. That's why I am taking minus alpha by 2 to alpha by 2. Minus alpha by 2 to alpha by 2. So you got it now. Why I am not taking 0 to pi or 0 to pi by 2? Why I am not taking that? Because we don't know from which to which that angle. That's why I am taking minus alpha by 2 to alpha by 2. Okay. Now tell me what is d? You can write it minus alpha by 2 to alpha by 2. What is the value of d? K lambda cos theta d theta by r. K lambda cos theta d theta by r. So you can take out this value. So we are having k lambda r minus alpha by 2 cos theta d theta. Okay, what we will get now? We will get if you integrate this one, what we will get? K lambda r sin alpha by 2 sin alpha by 2 minus sin alpha by 2. So what you get now? K lambda by r sin alpha by 2 plus sin alpha by 2. Okay, so this is your final answer. Or you have another formula, so we can write 2k lambda r sin alpha by 2. Sin k alpha by 2. So what we get the final answer? what you get the final answer? E general, E general, or you can write E arc. We can write E arc. E arc is equal to 2k lambda r sin alpha by 2. We don't know what is the value of alpha. We don't know what is the value of alpha. So this is the final answer we will get from this general case. Okay, pause it and write it. Pause karo, write karo. Pause it and write it. Pause it and write it, the whole thing. Okay, don't mess like me, because I have a limited space to write everything. I am writing like this. Okay, clear all of you? Clear all of you? If you are not understand, just go reverse, take that thing, just पीछे जाओ फिर से देखो, पीछे जाओ फिर से देखो. ओके, मुझे परेशानी होने की जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि वो कंप्यूटर को परेशानी दोगे तुम. ओके, सो गो बैक, take the thing, go back, take the thing. Where you don't understand, you just call me. You just call me. I given my number to you. I already given my number to you. So this is the whole thing. We got intensity due to an arc. Okay, so we don't know the alpha value here. We don't know this angle. We don't know this angle. If we know this angle, we can easily calculate. Is that a semicircle? Is that a semicircle? Or is that a quad circle? Okay, if we know this angle, we can easily find out, is that a semicircle or quad circle? Okay, you all write this one. सबका हो गया? सबका हो गया? सबका हो गया? Okay, can I erase it? Can I erase it? Okay, okay. I only erase this part only. Okay. Very good. So what we get now, sir? What is the formula we get now from this arc? Tell me. Again tell me. E arc. सर एक चीज को आप कितने बार बोलते हो? हाँ जी, मैं रिपीटेडली बोलूंगा तो तुम्हारे माइंड में रहेगा. ओके, जैसे नया गाना आता है ना. सो इफ ए न्यू सॉन्ग्स कम इनटू मार्केट, जैसे गेंदा फूल साहस गा ले देवे, ससुर जी समझा लेवे, वो चलता रहेगा तो तुम्हारा माइंड में चलता रहेगा. इसीलिए मैं आई एम रिपीटिंग द थिंग रिपीटेडली. ओके, नेक्स्ट व्हाट वी गेट? 2k lambda r sin alpha by 2. So we get this one. Okay, take a guess. If the angle is, if the alpha is 90 degree. Okay, if the alpha is 90 degree means what? If the alpha is 90 degree means this one. Yes or no? 90 degree. If the alpha is 90 degree means what? What is it? This is alpha. This is alpha. Alpha is 90 degree. Okay, so calculate this one. So E intensity alpha at 90 degree. Alpha at 90 degree. What we get? Right? 2k lambda by r. 2k lambda by r sin 90 by 2. Okay, so what we get? 2k lambda by r. Tell me. Sin 45 degree. Okay, so 2k lambda by r 1 by root 2. Okay, so can you make it? So what do you write? Root 2 into 2k lambda into 1 by root 2 into root 2. Can I write? I multiply root 2 here, I can multiply root 2 here, no problem. Okay, I can multiply same thing in numerator and denominator. So what we get? 2 root 2 1 by 2 root 2 k lambda by r 2. This two got cancelled. So what you get? Root 2 k lambda r. Okay, please look at this thing, sir. Please look at this thing. Can you get the intensity of quad circle? Yes or no? This is a quad circle or not? This is a quad circle or not? Okay, so what we get? The same value which you get in the quad circle. So if this alpha is 90 degree, we will get quarter circle. Yes, this angle alpha is 90 degrees, so we will get this one. So what is this? This is a quarter circle or not? Yes or no? Yes or no, sir? This is a quarter circle or not? If this is the total circle, if this is the total circle, this is the quarter circle. Okay, okay, we will get it. Okay, next. सर अब तो तुम्हारा मन में लड्डू फूट रहा होगा, अब तो मन में लड्डू फूट रहा होगा. Sir, I can do you another case. I can have another case, sir. What case? Case if the alpha equal to 180 degree. Alpha 180 degree मतलब क्या है? ये 180 डिग्री है, तो ड्रॉ कर दो पहले अल्फा को 180 डिग्री ड्रॉ कर दो. अल्फा इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. क्या बन गया सर? सर ये क्या बना दिया आपने? सर व्हाट यू ड्रॉन सर? सर दिस इज a circle sir, this is a semicircle sir, this is a semicircle sir. Sir can I get this value? Can I get this value? If I will put alpha equal to 180, put it, check it. If alpha equal to 180 degree, put it in the equation. E at what? 180 degree. E at 180 degree. So what equation we get? 2k lambda r sin 180 divided by 2. So what we get? 2k lambda r sin 90. What is sin 90 sir? Sin 90 is 1. So what we get? 2k lambda by r. Is it coming or not sir? Is it coming or not sir? Is it coming or not sir? Yes, it is coming. Okay. So this is the thing for circle, semicircle, quarter circle and an general case. Okay. So please subscribe my channel, like my channel. If you like it. If you dislike it. Or if you want to comment or any information on me, please suggest me. Thank you students.